Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your FordPass Pro login for Fleet EV Analytics, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the FordPass Pro app on your device. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, locate the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password carefully. If you are using the app for the first time, select the Sign Up option instead. Follow the prompts to create a new account. After entering your login credentials, tap on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Fleet dashboard. If you encounter issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. Next, look for an authentication prompt from FordPass Pro. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS. Access your email or messaging app to find the verification code. Enter the code in the appropriate field within the FordPass Pro app. Once you've entered the code, tap Verify to continue. If the code is accepted, you will gain access to your Fleet EV Analytics. Now, take a moment to explore the various analytics provided. You can track vehicle performance, charging status, and maintenance needs. If you experience any difficulties during this process, refer to the Help section in the app. For additional support, consider checking Ford's official website or contacting their customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.